In other news today, after 2 days of hearings, the judge in the trial of former Uvalde CISD officer Adrian Gonzales has decided to exclude all testimony from a former Robb Elementary teacher. It follows yesterday's ruling denying the defense team's motion for a mistrial. Gonzales faces 29 counts of child endangerment related to his actions during the Robb Elementary school shooting. I want to go over to KENS 5's Zach Briggs, who's joining us live right now. He's going to bring us to speed on this controversial testimony. Zach?
Yeah, after about an hour of cross-examination, Judge Sid Harrell decided to ultimately expel the entirety of Stephanie Hale's testimony from a couple days ago. The morning began with the jury listening to the interview of Hale conducted by the Texas Rangers. This was after the Robb Elementary shooting took place. I think it was May 28th. Not once during the exchange did Hale mention seeing a gunman dressed in black on the south side of campus like she had testified here in court. The south side of Robb, where Adrian Gonzales apparently was assessing the situation. That info about the gunman was provided to her attorneys in December, but not relayed to the defense team in preparation for the trial. The defense argued having this evidence be allowed could prove detrimental to their strategy moving forward. The defense pressed Hale, who asked not to be shown on camera, on multiple contradictory statements she made. Here's a part of that exchange between defense attorney Jason Goss and Hale.
Never told the grand jury that you saw the person on the south side of the building, however he's trying to make it seem. You would agree with that?
Yes.
Shots coming from a location is not, I saw this person on the south side of the building. You would agree with that as well?
Yes, but wouldn't it be, I don't know, it's kind of implied?
You're saying that it's kind of implied, but it's this phrase right here, I saw a shooter and he was on the south side of the building, that was never said to the grand jury or at any other time except in December when you told the prosecutors and they didn't tell us.
Yeah.
Pass it.
And after Hale was dismissed from court, we heard from Amy Marine Franco. Remember, she's the former Robb Elementary teacher who was initially blamed for propping open the door to let the gunman in. We'll hear more on her horrific account from May 24th later today. In Corpus Christi, I'm Zach Briggs, KENS 5.
And KENS 5 will continue to have full coverage of the trial. You can follow the proceedings on air, online, and streaming on KENS 5 Plus.